What up, chat? Don't fucking mind the mess. I still gotta put up my clothes. I'm gonna record this video real quick and get all this shit up and clean my room. I just need to make this video real quick. Yes, I can fucking see that. I could have done it before, but I might as well just get this out of the way because I gotta go do shit after this. Today we caught a little banger trade. I'll go over the 3 setups that we could have taken today. Decided to fade, or I was a little hesitant about it. But this one I did take, so it wasn't really that hard to like kind of look at it. Not kind of look at it, but like to take. So really simple, really simple, easy. NFP today we pumped, then we dumped, and then we pumped again, and then we were back into this 5-minute. And then we dumped all the way down to this data low and this 4-hour gap. 4-hour gap also aligned with OTE, as you can see here. 4-hour gap lined up with 705 in the 4-hour gap. So after that, I was trying to see some respect into OTE, and you can tell that we respected with this candle right here. I was gonna take this IVG right here to target this unmitigated 5-minute. Could have been better, but I was waiting for this candle to kind of flip so I can get a better feel and risk less. And then go break even here and TP at this unfilled 5-minute, but I did not. I was lucky, a little hesitant about it. This would have been my break even if I would have got filled here, but I didn't get filled because I was a little hesitant about it. Honestly, I really could have taken this setup right here, but I did not. I kind of hesitated on it, so I just rather just kind of wait and see what we would have get. I was going to enter off of this candle up here, but my stops would have been like 70 points, and TP would have only been 62 points, so that's a negative RR, so I wasn't liking that at all. I saw that we created a 1-minute gap, so I was waiting for this 1 minute to get mitigated and see what type of reactions that we get off of this gap. Saw the 1-minute tap and then clear reactions back to the upside. I entered off of here, seeing how that candle flipped. Had my stops at this mitigated 1-minute gap at the wick, just because kind of knowing we've already distributed right here. We entered OTE, so this was the leg that was going to bring us higher. So I had my break even here at this high, and my TP was this unmitigated 5-minute. Really simple, not really too hard. Really could have entered off of here, hesitated. Saw this reaction back, literally tapped this 1 minute, and then we had a huge, we like flipped hella hard. So I was like, alright, okay, I'm in this. Really nice displacement off this candle. Went break even real quick, and TP hit. Really simple day, and really simple, to be honest. You really could have caught shorts at 2 different points, and then you could have caught longs here. So I'll go over what the other trades that you really could have taken. Just literally just pointing it out. I think we had relative equal lows at data lows. Yeah, we did. So this was data low 7:30. Well, 7:30 my time would be, yeah, 7:30 or 8:30. You can really see during NFP we came into this 4-hour gap, and then we started rejecting off of this 4-hour gap. Then we started kind of dumping, and then we also had this unmitigated 5-minute within this 4-hour gap, and then you can also align OTE within this leg, and then your TP would have been stops here, or you're gonna fix stops. Your TP would have been data low or that unmitigated 4-hour, which is also all the way down here. But I mean, I don't really know what you could have taken off of this. You could have entered off of OTE, or you could have really entered this changes state of delivery, or I mean, if you would have called this into a changes state of delivery as well too. Could have had your position here, stops at this high or this high, and then target data low or this 4-hour. And then we had 10 a.m. open. Where's 10 a.m. open? Here. 10 a.m. opens here. Then you take OTE from this leg. Could have literally set a limit here at OTE, or could have set a limit here. And your stops at this high, or wherever really if you want to have a fixed stop. And then target data low, or you could have targeted this 4-hour. So I mean, 3 setups overall, they were pretty great. Delivery here was kind of ass. I would have been a little bit too hesitant to take this, but if you're really that confident in playing discretionary, I really could have taken this long. I mean short. Could have taken this short from this OTE range, 5-minute tap, 4-hour gap, root trace back into the 5-minute OTE. I just repeated myself again. Target data low, or the unmitigated 4-hour. Same thing with 10 a.m. open. 10 a.m. open here. The candle closure of the open. Here, swing high to swing low. Lines up with OTE. Could have had stops here. I mean, your entry here, or you could have had an entry at 10 a.m. Target data low or 4-hour gap. And then if you were kind of looking to long, again, the setup that I took, we had a fucking 4-hour gap here. Take an OTE from this swing low to this swing high. Tap into OTE. You could have taken this 1 minute. Here, stops at the low. Target that unmitigated 5 minutes somewhere here. Or my trade, you could have taken this 1 minute tap. Oh, we made on NQ, we made a no wick. Oh, that's better. And then enter off of here. So really, really great 3 trades that you really could have taken. Honestly, great delivery, great structure. Horrible fucking first, I don't even know, the first 30 minutes of the session was kind of ass. But overall, a good Friday. It was a really, really good Friday. Had good structure, great delivery, good draws. Overall, I think this is like one of the best sessions that I've ever seen. I was pretty late to take that short because I went to the dealership to go handle something. And I wasn't going to drive and trade at the same time. So I really couldn't do an analysis on the first 30 minutes of market open. But I was able to catch something. And I'm pretty happy about it. Ending the Friday positive. One more day until a payout. And I'm just going to finish off the recap here. Really simple day. Really love today. Really easy day. So sorry that I kind of like rushed this. Not really talking. I got shit to do. I want to record this video real quick for y'all. And I'm also going to drop another video probably this weekend or the next week about a topic that I want to talk about and show everyone, because I'm really happy that I was able to do it. And I've honestly, these last 3 days that I've been off, my trading has been so much better. So I'm really proud. I'm proud of myself that I can actually do this and consider and keep on going with this journey. So I'll catch you on the next trade recap. I'll see y'all later. Peace.